Discover the explorer in you. Kotoba Camp.
Female.
Female.
The sex that can produce eggs or bear offspring, belonging or relating to women or female animals.
雌性、雌体、雌性的、女性的。
Adult monarch butterflies exhibit sexual dimorphism, with female wings displaying darker veins and thicker black lines. Each female octopus guards her eggs continuously for months without eating until they hatch.
Lioness hunting success rates exceed 90% when hunting in coordinated groups at night.
Wild female dolphins whistle unique signature calls to maintain contact with their calves.
Female silk moths release specific pheromones that can attract males from several miles away.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Spotted hyenas live in female-dominated clans where even the lowest-ranking females outrank all males. Femininity.
Femininity. Bees determine the sex of their offspring by controlling fertilization of their eggs.
Woman, lady, maternal, she.
女性、女士、母性的、她。
Male, masculine, paternal, he.
男性、阳刚的、父性的、他。
Field.
Field.
An area of land or study, a particular branch of knowledge or expertise. To handle or respond to something.
田地、领域、应对、处理。
Magnetic fields surrounding neutron stars can be 1,000,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Ancient pottery fragments found in agricultural fields reveal patterns of early human settlements.
Quantum mechanics revolutionized our understanding of electromagnetic fields and particle interactions.
Native grassland fields provide essential habitats for numerous endangered bird species.
Strong gravitational fields near black holes can bend light and distort the fabric of spacetime.
Fieldwork.
Fieldwork.
Volcanic fields in Hawaii offer unique opportunities to study active geological processes. Fielding.
Fielding. Extensive wheat fields across the Great Plains have altered the region's natural ecosystem.
Area, domain, sphere, territory.
区域、领域、范围、领土。
Confined, limited, restricted, bounded.
受限的、有限的、受限制的、有界的。
Figure.
Figure.
A number, shape, or form, numerical facts. To calculate or determine something.
数字、图形、形状、计算、推断。
Global temperature figures have risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times. Marine biologists documented key population figures of endangered whale species in the Pacific.
Unemployment figures dropped significantly following the implementation of new economic policies.
Fossil records reveal distinct evolutionary figures in early hominid dental structures.
Brain scan figures indicate increased activity in the prefrontal cortex during decision-making tasks.
Figuration.
Figuration.
Crystalline structures display complex molecular figurations under extreme pressure. Figurative.
Figurative. Ancient pottery displays intricate figurative patterns depicting daily life scenes.
Number, statistic, calculation, quantity.
数字、统计、计 计算、数量。
estimate, approximation, speculation, theory.
估计、近似值、推测、理论。
Film.
Film.
A thin layer or coating, a motion picture. To cover with a thin layer, to record using a camera.
薄膜、膜层、电影、影片。
Photosynthetic bacteria create a green film on the surface of still water bodies. Salt deposits left a white crystalline film on the shores of ancient lake beds.
Microscopic analysis revealed a protective film covering the surface of plant leaves.
A thin oxide film forms naturally on aluminum when exposed to air.
Bacterial colonies formed a biofilm resistant to conventional antibiotics.
Filmy.
Filmy.
The mineral-rich water created a filmy residue on the cave walls. Filming.
Filming. Time-lapse filming captured the gradual crystallization process in supersaturated solutions.
Layer, coating, membrane, sheet.
层、涂层、薄膜、片。
Solid, mass, bulk, substance.
固体、块状物、体积、物质。
Firm.
Firm.
Having a solid, almost hard structure, not easily moved or changed. A business or company.
稳固的、坚定的、坚决的。公司、企业。
Ancient pottery shards remained firm despite thousands of years underground. Tree roots establish firm anchors in rocky mountain slopes.
Desert plants develop firm cell walls to withstand harsh conditions.
Coral skeletons create firm foundations for reef ecosystems.
Volcanic rocks maintain firm structures even after intense weathering.
Firmness.
Firmness.
Soil firmness affects root penetration and water retention. Firmly.
Firmly. Ice crystals firmly bond together in glacial formations.
Solid, stable, rigid, steadfast.
坚固的、稳定的、刚性的、坚定的。Weak, unstable, flexible, irresolute. 脆弱的、不稳定的、灵活的、优柔寡断的。
Fix.
Fix.
To fasten, attach, or place securely, to repair or correct. A solution or repair to a problem.
固定、安装、修理、纠正、解决方法、修复。
Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can use. Plants fix carbon dioxide during photosynthesis to produce glucose.
Calcium ions help fix phosphate molecules in bone tissue formation.
DNA mutations can become permanently fixed in a population over generations.
Hemoglobin molecules fix oxygen molecules for transport through blood vessels.
Fixation.
Fixation.
Carbon fixation is a crucial step in the Calvin cycle of photosynthesis. Fixed.
Fixed. Fixed genetic traits persist through multiple generations of organisms.
Secure, attach, anchor, fasten.
固定、附着、锚定、系紧。
Loosen, detach, release, free.
松开、分离、释放、解放。
Formal.
Formal.
Following established rules, conventions, or ceremonies, serious and official. An event requiring formal dress or behavior.
正式的、规范的、庄重的、正规的、正式场合、正式活动。
Ancient Greek rhetoric established formal patterns of logical argumentation. Classical music compositions follow formal structural principles of harmony and rhythm.
Crystalline structures exhibit formal geometric patterns at the molecular level.
Constitutional amendments require formal ratification by multiple governing bodies.
Peer-reviewed journals maintain formal standards for scientific publication.
Formality.
Formality.
Legal formalities protect intellectual property rights in academic publishing. Formalize.
Formalize. Mathematical proofs formalize intuitive concepts into rigorous statements.
Proper, conventional, official, structured.
得体的、传统的、官方的、有结构的。
Casual, informal, relaxed, unofficial.
随意的、非正式的、放松的、非官方的。
Forward.
Forward.
To send on or transmit, to move ahead. Directed toward the front, advancing.
转发、传送、前进、向前的、进步的。
Nerve cells forward electrical signals across synaptic gaps at millisecond speeds. Each DNA replication cycle moves genetic information forward to new cell generations.
Tectonic plates move forward at the rate of several centimeters per year.
Ancient trade routes forwarded cultural innovations across continents.
Messenger RNA forwards genetic codes from nucleus to ribosome.
Forwardness.
Forwardness.
Rapid climate change has accelerated species evolutionary forwardness. Forwarding.
Forwarding. Synaptic forwarding enables complex neural processing in brain circuits.
Advance, progress, proceed, promote.
前进、进步、进行、促进。
Backward, retreat, regress, recede.
后退、撤退、倒退、退缩。
Frame.
Frame.
To construct, shape, or formulate, to enclose in a border. A basic structure or system that supports or encloses something.
构建、形成、设置框架、框架、结构、骨架。
Volcanic ash gradually frames mineral deposits in sedimentary layers. DNA double helix frames the genetic code within its spiral structure.
Coral reefs frame complex marine ecosystems in tropical waters.
Mountain ranges frame distinct climate zones across continents.
Cell membranes frame the boundary between internal and external environments.
Framework.
Framework.
Atomic theory provides a framework for understanding chemical reactions. Framed.
Framed. Geological periods are framed by major extinction events.
Structure, construct, shape, form.
结构、建造、塑造、形成。
Destroy, dismantle, demolish, break.
破坏、拆除、拆毁、打破。
Freeze.
freeze.
To become hardened into ice or solid form, to stop moving or functioning, a period when temperature falls below freezing point.
结冰、凝固、停止、冻结、冰冻期、冻结期。
Nitrogen instantly freezes living tissue at negative 196 degrees Celsius. Blood plasma must freeze within 24 hours to preserve vital proteins.
Maple sap freezes solid when temperatures drop below 0 degrees.
Deep ocean currents freeze carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate deposits.
Cell membranes freeze and crystallize at different temperatures.
Frozen.
Frozen.
Siberian permafrost contains frozen organic matter from millennia ago. Freezing.
Freezing. Metal contracts during freezing, while water expands.
Solidify, crystallize, harden, congeal.
凝固、结晶、变硬、凝结。
Thaw, melt, liquefy, dissolve.
解冻、融化、液化、溶解。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
Learning another language is like becoming another person.